Hello, my name is Shaunak Harbe, and the aim of our project is to assess the stability of network communities under adversarial attacks. So, complex networks are basically abstractions or graphical representations of complex systems. Facebook friendship network or protein-protein interaction networks are some examples of complex networks. Real-world complex networks are non-homogeneous, meaning there is a cluster of densely connected nodes and there are few loosely connected nodes. This cluster of closely connected nodes is known as a community. Various community detection algorithms have been used to detect these communities lying in complex networks. However, community detection algorithms raise multiple concerns over security. Uh, the terrorists build complex networks and use communities to carry out certain tasks. To prevent terrorist attacks, we need to deploy certain security personnel into these complex networks, into their communities, without the terrorists knowing them. The objective of our project is to conceal the identity of these security personnel and to deploy them in our complex network. So the precise objective of this project is twofold. First, we want to develop strategies for destabilizing the community structure, and second, we want to protect selective nodes from community-centric attacks. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Afzal Raza. The objective of this project are the world-facing terrorist attack plan and executed by multiple terrorist organizations. For this, it is very essential to develop a model to get insight into the network to protect the world from such kind of attack. The precise objective of this project are twofold. First, develop a strategy to decentralize the community structure, and second, protective selective node from community-centric attack.
As Afzal said, our project objective is destabilization of community structure and protecting selective node from a community-centric attack. To achieve this objective, we destabilize the community structure of a network. The optimization of community destabilization is based on the two parameters. First one is the maximization of permanence loss, and second one is the maximization of safeness gain. Permanence is a measure to compute the chances for a vertex to be in its own community. This is a formula for calculating the permanence score for node U in community C, and this is the formula for calculating permanence score and maximization of permanence loss. Second one is the safeness score. If the node has the largest safeness score, then that node will not be easily identifiable from the community detection algorithm. This is the formula for calculating the safeness score for node U in community C, and this is the code how we implement the safeness score formula.
Hi, I am Priyadarshan. We have used three datasets containing real-world networks taken from three different domains. They are C. elegans, dolphins, and domestic terrain network. We have used 6 community detection algorithms, namely Luvian, 3D modularity, K-click, bisection, Given-Newman, and asynchronous label propagation. As Ritesh explained, we have used 2 parameters for the community deception of the network. They are permanence score and safeness score. If we want to hide the community information of the node in the network, we first have to destabilize the constant communities, for which we have used 2 functions, namely maximization of the permanence loss and maximization in safeness gain. Thank you. This is the result after applying the maximization in permanence loss strategy.
So, as my team members have already told, we have worked on the project of finding the stability of network communities against adversarial attacks, wherein we applied 6 community detection algorithms on various datasets. So, the outcome of this research was a valuable role in hiding identity of nodes from several aspects, that is, hiding the identity of security agents in a terrorist network, hiding information of individuals in a social network, and so on. The model would play an important role in destabilizing the network that will help to hide the identity of security personnel. So we have applied 2 strategies, that is maximization of permanence loss and the maximization of safeness gain, and we were successful in finding certain nodes that do not belong to any particular community or a constant community, so that we can hide the information of security personnel at that node. I take this opportunity to thank Leading India for giving us this opportunity to work on this project, and also our mentor Dr. Suji Kumari, who supported us through this entire journey. Thank you.